Making some no-knead bread. This is so simple to make. It's just a few ingredients, and I'll show you how. Actually, one that I started yesterday, and I'm gonna take half of it out and bake half of it. So I'm only gonna bake half of this and then just use this other half, add more flour and water, and I'll use that as my base for the next day. And then tomorrow I'll just take half of that and bake that. And now I'll replenish it, just add some more. I don't normally measure, that seems good. I also add water. Again, I don't really measure, I go by consistency. Also, while I'm mixing it, I'll just add some salt for flavor. Also some sugar to help the yeast. And so this is about the consistency that I'm looking for. You'll notice it's not quite as stringy as it was before. It's because now there's a lot of new flour in it, but as it sits, it will get stringier, which is a good thing. So now I'll let these two rise. Here's one that I baked yesterday. And then I'll bake this one today, and this one tomorrow, and another one the next day. Also, you notice I didn't add any yeast to this because it already had yeast from the other half that I didn't take out. And this is what it looks like on the inside. Notice I added some pepper to this one. Actually, you can add whatever seasonings you want. So I'll explain the schedule. It's on a 24-hour cycle. Right now it's the morning. In the morning I just halved my dough, let this rise, and I'll cover both of them to let them rise. And then in the evening, this will be a lot higher. I can bake this, and it'll be ready for supper. And then the next morning, I can do the same thing. I'll have this, put it in here, add more flour, let this rise, and bake it in the evening. And this looks great. I'm gonna do some butter and garlic powder. Some garlic powder. And how about some chives from the window? Wow, that's so good. I love the fresh chives.